Hello and welcome to another quick Xpres Technical video where we're going to show you how to check your fuse in an Adkins heat press. If a fuse blows, what will happen is the on-off switch will still light up, but the display will be off. To check it, we first want to remove the power, and then we want to undo these two black screw heads. If we pull them out, it will reveal the fuse. And then we want to check these fuses for continuity. For this we need to use a voltmeter, and we need to select a continuity symbol, which means that when you create a circuit, it usually beeps or gives you a value on the screen. So all we're going to do is put our probes on either end of the fuse. If it beeps, the fuse is fine. Do that for both fuses. Of course, if yours doesn't beep, the fuse is blown and you need to replace the fuses. To replace the fuses, back in its holder. Same with the second one. Just screw them up. Then we can put the power back in. And then we can check that the press turns on.